Today on PowerNation Daily, a soldier led police on a slow speed chase in what appeared to be an armored vehicle. A driver drove across a bridge and a bunch of other stuff in reverse to get where he had to go, and it was over a mile long. The GTR driver that took out his transmission trying to show off. And Tesla apparently will never consider motorcycles with their business model. And backseat reminders may soon be mandatory in all new cars. This is PowerNation Daily. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Gannon Pritchard. This is PowerNation Daily. Thanks for hanging with us. Let's get talking about the news. Usually in police chases, you hear high-speed chases and you see crazy drivers, not usually a armored style vehicle like this. And that's exactly what happened. A soldier stole a tank-like vehicle from the National Guard and he led the Virginia State Police on what appears to be the slowest pursuit ever. Local news WTVR reported that the soldier led officers down the interstate at 40 miles per hour. Well, in that, kind of funny. Well, not for the cops, but for us. So here's what you shouldn't do, or maybe what you should do. The Ohio Department of Transportation came across footage on their cameras of a white SUV driving up an on-ramp, over an overpass, and into a parking lot. Altogether, it came to like 1.2 miles. It's impressive for going backwards. There's speculation that the guy's transmission was out, so he decided to go backwards, which explains the driving in reverse. But he could have just called AAA. Then again, this is a good video, so I'm glad he did it. And launch control claims another victim. When used correctly, launch control can get you where you gotta go from 0 to 60 real quick. When used incorrectly, bad things happen like this. This is kind of an embarrassing situation. The driver was at a meet and he decided to launch his vehicle while it was cold with no preparation. The YouTube channel Stateside Supercars posted a video that shows the driver peeling out after having been parked for a while at a car meet. Unfortunately, his transmission just couldn't quite hold up, and well, fortunately for us, we caught it on film. Good stuff. Tesla has explained its lineup from cars to SUVs and even semis, but in this year's shareholder meeting, Elon Musk revealed the company will never, ever consider motorcycles, and his reasoning is kind of selfish, I think. I guess because when he was 17, he almost died on one. Hey, he owns the company, he can do what he wants. The question is, do you care, or do you think EV bikes should be a part of Tesla's lineup? I don't really care, but if you do, let us know. Just recently, backup cameras became mandatory in all new cars. Now there's a push for rear seat alarms to be mandatory for people that have a problem of leaving their kids and animals in hot cars in the summer. Maybe you shouldn't have animals or kids if you're leaving them in the back seat. That's just a personal opinion. I guess with warm weather finally here, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration is reminding people just how hot it can get in cars, even if it's comfortable outside. Some cars like GMC's Yukon and Nissan's Pathfinder already have rear seat reminders to help stop this problem from happening. The question is, do you think these should be mandatory? Let us know in the comments. I'm interested in what you got to say. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Let us know what you want to see in the comments, and be sure to stop by our website at PowerNationTV.com. Have a good rest of your day. See you guys later.